Hi there, thank you for stopping by at my channel. Today's video is about a hosta plant. These are very beautiful perennials and you can see the leaves pattern is very beautiful and they come back every year. So and also they multiply every year. So these are like 6 7 years old plants. I have like in three places and they look very beautiful when they are like lush green and their outer of the leaf you can see like off-white or cream color, and sometimes they give the flowers and the flowers color is purple, but the flowers is in a stem and they are very small flowers, not big one, and just like coleus flowers, that kind of flower they give, but in the purple color. And their good thing is that they are very low maintenance plants. You don't have to worry about them for watering and for uh, putting the compost, and they only you can water them like once in a week and put the fertilizer once in a like 3 months. So they are very low maintenance plants. So I hope you will also grow them and you will enjoy them. Thank you and see you in my next video. Till then, bye.